In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where you can't select more than one object in AutoCAD using a quick and practical method. If AutoCAD keeps deselecting your previous object every time you click a new one, the problem is usually related to the selection settings. A temporary workaround is to hold the Shift key while selecting additional objects, which allows you to add items to the current selection set. However, if you want the default multi-select behavior back, head to the Tools menu, open Options, and navigate to the Selection tab. Here, look for the setting labeled Use Shift to add to selection. If it's checked, uncheck it and apply the changes. This restores the more common workflow where multiple objects stay selected automatically. It's a small setting, but it can make a huge difference in productivity, especially on complex drawings. You should also restart the selection process after applying changes to confirm everything works correctly. Overall, this is one of the easiest fixes for a very common AutoCAD frustration. Subscribe for more honest practical tech tutorials that help you solve problems faster and design more efficiently.